A really good day for the United Kingdom, a really good day for jobs. So today we're signing a really big deal with Turkey for the provision of typhoons, 20 typhoons, £8 billion worth of work for the United Kingdom, but more importantly bringing us together strategically with typhoons. You can see these typhoons here parked up in Turkey. They've come across to mark the occasion. So a really good day for the United Kingdom, a really good day for jobs.
The United Kingdom has signed an £8 billion deal to supply 20 Eurofighter Typhoon jets to Turkey. The agreement was sealed in Ankara during Prime Minister Keir Starmer's visit, who called it, quote, a win for British workers, a win for our defence industry and a win for NATO security. The jets are part of a joint European project between Britain, Germany, Italy and Spain, and this deal marks the UK's biggest fighter export in nearly 2 decades. It's also the first new Typhoon order since 2017. The British government says the deal will support thousands of jobs, including 6,000 at BAE Systems' Lancashire plants, 1,100 in southwest England, including Rolls-Royce Bristol, and 800 in Scotland. Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan praised it as a, quote, a new symbol of strategic relations with Britain. The first jets are expected to arrive by 2030, with an option for more in the future. The Typhoon is one of the world's most advanced multirole fighter jets developed by the UK, Germany, Italy and Spain. Multirole means it can switch between fighting other aircraft or air-to-air missions and attacking ground and sea targets or air-to-ground missions. It's powered by 2 Eurojet EJ200 engines, each producing around 90 kilonewtons of thrust. Together, they help the Typhoon reach the speed of 2,495 kilometers per hour, which is over Mach 2, and a maximum altitude of over 55,000 feet. The jet is about 15.96 meters long with a wingspan of 10.95 meters and can take off at a maximum weight of 23,500 kilograms. It's built using advanced composite materials that make it both light and strong, while also helping reduce its radar signature. The cockpit is packed with advanced tech. It has a wide-angle head-up display, digital control screens, and a hands-on throttle and stick system that lets pilots manage everything without taking their hands off the controls. There's even voice command input, making it easier to react quickly during missions. Its radar system, known as Captor-E, is an active electronically scanned array which can detect and track multiple targets at long ranges. Along with that, the Pirate infrared search and track system allows the Typhoon to spot enemy aircraft without sending out signals, keeping it stealthier in combat. For defense, it has a Praetorian defensive aid system which monitors enemy radar and missile threats and automatically helps the pilot dodge or counter them. When it comes to weapons, the Typhoon has 13 weapon stations under its wings and body, which can carry a mix of missiles, bombs, external fuel tanks, and sensor pods. It's equipped with a 27mm Mauser cannon, short and long-range air-to-air missiles, and precision-guided bombs for ground attacks. In total, it can carry up to 9 tons of weapons and equipment. This deal comes at a crucial time for Turkey as its plans to modernize its fleet hit a roadblock after the US blocked its request for F-35 stealth jets. The Typhoon will give Turkey access to one of NATO's top-tier fighters while keeping its air defense aligned with Western technology. For Britain, it's a major win for the domestic defense industry. About 37% of each Typhoon is built in the UK, including final assembly by BAE Systems. The deal ensures that production lines in places like Wotton and Salisbury stay active well into the next decade. Defense Secretary John Healey called it, quote, the biggest jets export deal in a generation, while BAE's CEO Charles Woodburn said it, quote, opens a new chapter in the UK-Turkey relationship.